So you guys, thanks for watching. Just gonna do a short video here. Was gonna do my declutter video today, but took Bubby for a walk, and as you can see, we got some family mail. So if you want to see what we got, then keep on watching. It says, "Bow wow. Bubs, thank you for the doggy treats. I hope you enjoy your toy." She says a toy, Bub. A toy. What's in there? What is it? What is it? You see? What is that? What is that? You get a new baby. You give a kissy? Give a kisses? Oh, that's kissy and nice. See, get it? As you can see, she's not eating. Oh, look at that. New toys? Hey, Bob's to get a new baby. You get kissy too, huh? Get it, Bobby? You get it? She like a new baby? She like a new baby? Oh, Erica, thank you so much. That is so sweet. Thank you for everything. Everything's... Aw. I love everything. And this... Oh my goodness. I absolutely love it. Oh my goodness. A Paris Tower. She is loving her toy. A Paris Tower and a foot and little jewels. Oh my goodness. How cute. And a card. Thank you so much for the dog treats. My dogs love them. I hope you enjoy your goodies. Love you, my beautiful friend. Love, Erica. Aww. That is so cool. I opened everything except it's right here. If I can get it open with one hand. I don't know if I can. I think this is the brushes. She is having such a good time there. Holy moly. You really wrapped these up, girl. She's really liking the toy. Oh, you got that stuck on your paw. Oh, there we go. I got it. Oh, yeah, the brush set. Cool. I needed this one in the middle especially. And another spoolie. Look at her. She's rubbing herself on the dog. And she's not eating her dinner. But she just got back from a walk. And we saw it in the mailbox. She is having a good time with that. She really likes it. We're going to take the tags off. She didn't let me take the tags off yet. You like it, Bubs? Say thank you. Bub. Say thank you. You say thank you? Alright, thank you, Erica.